Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are doing very well. So in previous video, I have told you about the lucky shop and the prizes the boy and the old man won in that lucky shop. And then they sold them to the shopkeeper and got a good amount of money. Then what happened next? To know about that, look into your book, paragraph number 7. I wanted to try my luck too. I looked at Bhaiya. He encouraged me. I paid 50 paise and took 6 discs. My luck was not too good. I got two pencils. The shopkeeper bought them from me for 25 paise. I tried again. This time I got a bottle of ink. Also of little value. The shopkeeper bought them too for 25 paise. I took a chance for the third time. Still luck was not with me. So when Rashid saw the old man and the boy winning the big prizes, he also became a little greedy and wanted to play that lucky game. Hoping that he would also win some good prizes. So he looked at his Bhaiya as if he was asking him that should he play and try his luck or not. So his Bhaiya also encouraged and gave him hope that he could also win something big or special. So he should play that lucky game. So finally, Rashid paid 50 paise and selected 6 discs from the table and added up the numbers. And the article marked of that total number was only 2 pencils. So Rashid felt himself unlucky as he was only able to win only a little value of 2 pencils. And the shopkeeper bought those 2 pencils for 25 paise only. Anyways, Rashid again tried his luck, hoping that this time his luck may be good, but again he won an object of little value, which was a bottle of ink. The shopkeeper bought back it for 25 paise only. So one more time he decided to play that lucky game, and this time his luck was the same and could not win anything big or special. In short, Rashid tried his luck 3 times, but each time he got only an object of little value. So what happened next? Did he keep on playing or left? Look into your paragraph number 8. I had hopes of winning a big prize and continued to try my luck again and again, paying 50 paise each time, but every time I got a trifle. At last, I was left with only 25 paise. Again the shopkeeper showed his kindness. He said I could either play once more with 25 paise or settle the account then and there. I played again and the last 25 paise also disappeared. So as I told you that Rashid played 3 times that lucky game, and each time his luck did not support him and got only objects of little value. So instead of not winning big prizes, he was hopeful that he could win something special. So he continued to try his luck. He kept on paying 50 paise for the disc, and each time he was only able to get an object of little value. So this is how he spent all his money, and in the end there was only 25 paise remaining. So the shopkeeper sympathized with Rashid and allowed him to play with 25 paise only. Otherwise, clear the account if not interested in playing more. So Rashid decided to play again, and he lost his last 25 paise as well. It means in the last round his luck did not support him, and now he had lost all his money. and could not get anything big or special in that lucky game. Now come to the next paragraph. People were looking at me, some were laughing at my bad luck, but none showed any sympathy. Bhaiya and I went to the place where uncle had left us and waited for him to return. Presently he came. He looked at me and said, "Rashid, you look upset. What is the matter?" So actually what happened, when Rashid was playing that lucky game, there were people around him standing there. So when they saw that Rashid was unlucky each time and couldn't get anything big or special, so they laughed and made fun of him. But no one of them showed any kind of kindness or sympathy. Only they were laughing at his bad luck. So finally, Rashid with his bhaiya went back to the place where his uncle left them and started waiting for his uncle to return. So after some time, his uncle came back and he looked at Rashid and found him sad and upset. So he asked him, "What happened? Why are you looking so sad? Was there any matter in my absence? Please tell me if there is anything bad happened with you." So this is your today's lesson. I hope it's very clear to you. And what did Rashid or his bhaiya say in reply, we will learn in the next video. Thank you very much for watching this video.